In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Zoho Invoice templates. This process is straightforward, and in just a few minutes you'll have your customized invoice ready to go. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're using the correct login details to access your account without any issues. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. The next step is to navigate to Settings, which is typically located in the top corner of your dashboard. This section is where you can fine-tune various aspects of your account to better suit your needs. Once in Settings, you'll want to look for the Customization option. It's here that you can begin tailoring your invoice templates to reflect your brand and style. Click on Customization and then proceed to select PDF templates. This will take you into the area where all your templates are stored, allowing you to choose and modify them as needed. Next, you'll click on Invoices from the list of options. This is where you start focusing specifically on the invoice templates. When you select Invoices, you'll be presented with various template options. Choose the one you wish to edit by clicking on Edit. Doing so will open up a wide array of customization tools, allowing you to personalize every detail of your invoice. Now, you might want to adjust the header and footer. This is where you can input your company logo, contact information, and any specific messaging you want to include. It's important that this section reflects your brand accurately, as it's often the first piece of information recipients will see. Moving down, you have the chance to edit the transaction details. Ensure this section includes all necessary information for your clients to understand the services rendered or products sold. The table section is next, where you can configure how the line items appear. It's essential to keep this clear and organized to avoid any confusion during the billing process. Further down, you will find the total section. This is where calculations and the grand total of your invoice are displayed. Make sure to verify that all sums, taxes, and any discounts are calculated correctly. Then review other details or customizable elements and make any final adjustments you like to personalize your invoice even further. Before finalizing your changes, click on Preview to see what your invoice will look like when sent to clients. A preview ensures everything is in place and as per your requirements. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save to apply your changes, and there you have it. Your personalized Zoho invoice template is ready to use. This easy customization process allows you to keep your invoices professional and tailored specifically for your business needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps enhance the way you present invoices to your clients.